Alright, so we also do real hot pot. No, not just the one in Geelfin. So we got our inners here, beef inners, we got pork, we got shrimp, we've got beef tongue, more inners, vegetables, we've got beef, and then moving on here, vegetables, we've got fish.
And we've got fresh chicken thigh too.
So yeah, we've got spring onion, we've got coriander, we've got oyster sauce, we've got my homemade sweet soy sauce, we've got pickled nira, like pickled chives, regular soy sauce, fermented tofu, black Chinese vinegar. This is spring onion oil. This is Sichuan pepper oil. And then we've got sesame paste, we've got 13 spice powder, we've got garlic, we've got ginger, we've got chili oil, and we have mustard oil. Hot pot, honest, 1 to 10.
Oh, wicked. Absolute. Amazing. 10 out of 10.
Yeah, 10 out of 10.
Out of this world.